Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this fish sauce. So in this fish sauce, you can use it to eat rice, yam, or even fried yam or potato as you want. So if you want to know, keep on watching to the very end of this video. So here are my ingredients: my microfish, which I've already parboiled and take out the bowl, my blended bay pepper, my sliced tomatoes, onions, habanero pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, and seasoning cube, and crayfish. So let's go straight to the my oil is already on fire. Then I'm going to add my salt and adding my onions as well. So no onions is very aromatic anyway. So I'm going to stir it together and let it just bring out that is sweet and scent from the onions to check the environment a little bit. So after that, it has been fried for 2 minutes. I had my tomatoes. Then after adding my tomatoes, I will add my habanero pepper. Then I will just stir together. After stirring together, then I will add my bay pepper and onions already blended together. Okay, keep on watching, guys. So now I'll be adding my ingredients: my ginger powder, garlic powder, and my salt and my seasoning cube. This is my seasoning cube. I'll be using this very one. And these people that are making this easy, you guys should make it easy for us. You will break and break and break and break. It will not go out. Then I'll be adding my crayfish as well. Then after that, I will stir together. Stir very well. See? Yeah. This looks so delicious. Then after that, I will be adding my microfish. Yeah, this is it. I've already taken out the bowl. I parboil it and remove all those bowl, everything. I make sure it's just fish like this. Okay, you can use anyone. You can even use oven fish, any fish, microfish you have at home, anyone of your choice. Any fish of your choice you can use, but I decided to use this microfish. It's very delicious, guys. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try. You can use it to eat rice. Maybe you don't have to, you just want to cook a little stew for the day. This is just good for it. And this is the outcome of it. If you enjoy watching it, don't hesitate to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.